Chemical dipping is used for pretty much anything metal that you want to bring to bare metal. I work for a company called 3S Chemicals. We are a chemical stripping company. We use 3 separate chemicals. Our first chemical and first step of the process is our alkaline-based paint stripper. We will take the car, we will lower it into our paint stripper tank. It'll sit there for about 2 days. Then it'll be taken out and pressure washed. And if all of the paint isn't removed, it'll go back in that tank and the process will be repeated until all the paint is removed. The second step of the process after all the paint is removed is rust removal. We'll take the car body, we will dip it in our acid bath. It'll stay in there for about 2 days. It'll be taken out. We will neutralize it in our alkaline bath to stop from flash rusting. Then we will take it to our wash bay, pressure wash it, and repeat this process until all the rust is removed. And then the last step of our process is our water-based rust inhibitor. We will take the bare metal car body and immediately put it in our water-based rust inhibitor to stop rusting for up to 30 days until you're ready to paint. It doesn't just stop at cars for us. We dip pretty much anything. We've dipped old printing presses, radiators, engine blocks, gas tanks. We've had people bring shower curtain rods in. It's pretty much endless. We see different stuff all the time. People generally think that our chemicals are super aggressive and bad for the environment, but since we actually use environmentally friendly chemicals, and that's why our process takes a little longer. That's also why we're one of the very few chemical dipping companies left in the United States.